horse din na butas.
Oh, dahil diri mahal kayo ang horse diri.
Kinang horse na butas.
Morning. Okay?
Let's go!
Oh,
Help kami ni
Thank
ate.
you.
Yeah, watch and learn.
Watch
Sa
and
mong
learn.
work.
Ang walis. Guys, ito yung pauwi walis na papuntang Pilipinas. Walang pamasahe. Ito na lang po sakyan namin.
Yun idla na ate.
Ay, guntingan na guntingan. Tugas.
Ay mo tagibili na dira.
I-cover natin kay
Pag sure. Na yung mga water sa US o gas.
May mga awat dire oy. Bike gani kawata.
Ate magtagalog tayo kasi.
Hi guys, andito kami ngayon sa first job namin. Ganito lang. Ay, Pilat Angel!
Mga naman Tagalog, malalaman nilang word. Yan na eh.
Maganda pa naman yung ngunit na ano.
Magpasana na siya ron. Og-mulch. Gawate.
Ano nang nila mo? Murag ano sila mo?
Oh, magduha tulo kayo sa rakakuan. Sa ka-round.
Duha.
Sa
Kaya na ko mabutan si.
ang ibutang?
Oh,
Kasi ang ibutang siya.
Hello. Hello, ngiri ka. Sige na, okay na. Okay na.
Mo ni siya sa small work karong adlaw murag. Mo ay murag dagan trabaho ng adlaw. Ay, o nga pala. Oh my gosh, Tagalog talaga ito. Itong araw kasi madami kaming gagawin kasi aside sa maintenance, may work talaga yung may-ari. So, pag maintenance ang pulot-pulot, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos,
Aray,
get ng mga
extra
wheels sa
ano
konti,
na.
ganon. Pero kung extra, ito, ginagawa namin. It's extra already. So,
Ganun lang,
ayan.
Beto, be.
Mm-mm.
Ayan, pag nasipag ka, magkapera.
Oo. Tsaka monthly kasi nagbabayad sila, yung may-ari dito sa
Yung
bahay.
maintenance, pero ito extra na to.
Extra na
Mga
yan.
putol.
Yung extra ba ate per hour pa rin yung bayad? O dapat tapusin talaga?
Pagkatapos na nila.
Oo,
bayaran
pagkatapos
pa nila.
tapos pala.
Kung matapos na, tingnan nila.
Kasi normally daw sa maintenance is 200 per month. Tapos
Twice a month.
twice a
Punta ka sa
month
bahay.
lang. Oo.
So, depende sa kalaki ng bahay nila o lupa nila na linisan mo.
Ito average lang yung size ng lote dito ate na? For you? Average ba siya?
Sa atin acres ba o acres 10 acres? Parang 4 acres ata to.
Para i-convert yun sa kilometer ate. Di ba sa Pilipinas yung acres yung hectares eh. Puro kilometers, square meters eh.
Ito yung gamit namin.
Oo.
Tapos pag wala naman, itong mga teacher, lapis, pag gabi naman, ang hawak ko ay,
Tsaka,
convert naman tayo sa ha?
tsaka ang galing ni ate kasi nagki-caregiving. Tapos after nun is ito may work siya ganitong extra. So pagkakalang 15 bahay ate no? 15 bahay per month. So imagine niyo, 15 bahay per month. Tapos extra lang pa kasi caregiving talaga yung work ni ate. Pag naman mo na job ate?
Yes.
Okay. Ayoko na. Ano pang job mo pala?
Ano?
Oh, ayan na yung may-ari.
Magnetic.
Eh, dyan ang may-ari ate. Opo. Hello sir, can you wave? Say hi vlog.
Hi.
Hi vlog.
Hi, who?
Say kumusta? Kumusta means how are you?
Oh, hi. Kamusta.
Oh, that's so cute. Why is it when there's foreigners, Americans? Kumusta is so cute already. Joy, tulungan mo ako dito. Yeah, so she's my friend. Her name is Joy.
Joy.
Yeah, we're just helping Ate Anna for snack.
Yeah.
Yeah. You've been here for long already?
28 years.
20 years? Oh my gosh, what's your age right now? Okay, he's not gonna answer
No, I
it.
thought 86.
86? You're 86
Yeah.
already?
Yeah, I'll be 87 in a
But
couple
you're
months.
you're so physically healthy.
Good
What's your
while it
secret?
lasts. I don't know. Stay active.
Stay active and you're eating
Yeah.
nutritious foods. If you
Try
say
to, yeah.
if you say active, what activities that you're
I play a
doing?
lot of golf.
Golf. Oh my gosh. You know what? In the Philippines, if you say golf, only rich people can do golf.
So,
What do you love most in golf? What is the special thing in golf that you love? while you're still playing golf.
Well, it's mostly about friendship with the people you're playing with.
Oh yeah. Membership for that. I just wanna know.
Yeah, well, when you buy a home here,
Okay.
usually a membership comes with when you buy the home.
I will not ask how much is the home because I know. Okay.
Well,
I still have a hope of being a member. If you say membership, telling me that when you're gonna buy home is part of the buying the home, the membership, something else. Okay, hopeless.
yeah, well, the best way if you're just getting started trying to learn is to play at a public course or a course where you can, you pay what they call green fees.
Yeah, but is there? What if the ball go to the pond or to the water? What will happen next?
There's
Because I'm wondering, like, I'm looking some of the golf courses. There's some pond or water, and like, what happened if the ball goes to the water?
well, you drop another one and
Okay.
it costs you a stroke. Now
Okay,
you keep track of how many times you hit it.
okay.
Those are called strokes.
Strokes.
So
there's
it's
some golf.
gone.
Yeah, he said you're gonna get it.
Yeah, right, exactly.
What do we call with the vehicle that you use in the golf course? There's a vehicle. What do you call that? Where you can.
Oh, the
Right.
golf cart?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
the golf cart. That's why
Yeah.
because it's like 14.
But that's the lazy thing. The best way is to walk.
Is to walk and bring all the 14.
Yeah,
Oh my.
that's the way you live
Because-
to be 86.
Oh yeah, you're right. That's the reason because it's physical.
I don't do
activity.
it anymore, but I always,
Yeah.
just, yeah.
Thank you so much for the interview. Thank you, sir. Again, mabuhay. Can you say that?
Mabuhay.
Eh, salamat.
Salamat.
Kamusta?
Kawusta.
Thank you so much. You're so cute, sir.
You're making
Oh, big. Look at that. Halos puno yung truck. At ang nakakano pa nito is matinik yung halaman na to. Ang hirap niyang putulin. Ang hirap niyang hakutin. We're gonna speak in English? Oh my goodness. Yeah.
Ako sa iorong ha.
So, ayan, sobrang tinik niyan. Isang bahay lang to yung ganito kadaming ano. Na pinutol namin, hinakot. Yan, tapos ito yung bahay niya. Ganda ng bahay niya. Tsaka napaka-amazing kasi yung tawag daw sa punong to is Japanese maple. Ang galing, nag-survive siya dito sa North Carolina. Japanese maple. Oh, we have to close first the truck. Ate, stop! Ate, hindi pa na-close yung truck.
I-remove niya kaya di na-close.
Ah, I see. I thought ano na.
Kasi abi,
Hindi naman.
wala tayo kayo nabuho.
Takot ako eh. Kala ko nakalimutan mo eh, no? Ay, nako.
Kabayatan yung biscuit ang bayaran.
Patay talaga tayo sa asawa ni ate. Anong sabi ng asawa mo ate? Baka pag-uwi niya.
Wala na.
Wala na yung truck. Bye. Bye, house. Tsaka ang bait ni sir. Ni sir. Ito ng bahay nila. So, meron kang Japanese tree. Yan na sila. Bye-bye. Ang galing niya ate, di ba? Siya nag-drive. Idol. Bye-bye. Yan. See? Daming damo-damo.